Hello everybody. This Sunday on 7th September evening, we have a total lunar eclipse in the sky. This happens when the Earth comes exactly between the Sun and the Moon, and the shadow of the Earth falls on the Moon and covers it for a period. This is last time we saw such an eclipse from India was in 2018. Next will be in 2028, and therefore we really appeal to all of you to step outside of your houses, go to the terrace, go to your street with your family and friends, and see the eclipse because it's a beautiful sight in the sky. So at 9:57 p.m. this Sunday, the moon will start entering the Earth's umbral shadow, and you will start seeing the partial lunar eclipse. You can see the entire eclipse with your own eyes yourself. It is perfectly safe to see it, and your eyes are enough to show you the eclipse in its entirety. After it starts entering the Earth's shadow at 9:57, it will take around 1 hour to fully then start and completely enter the Earth's shadow, and after an hour, around 11:01 p.m., it will completely be eclipsed. It will then take 82 minutes or 1 hour 22 minutes from 11:01 p.m. onwards to go from one end of the Earth's shadow to the other end, and this entire 82 minutes, the moon will be completely eclipsed by the Earth. During this period, instead of disappearing completely, it will be a deep red or copper red in color. This is because though the Earth's shadow is falling on the moon, a little bit of the red part of the sunlight will pass through the atmosphere of the Earth and then bend and fall on the moon. And this is why total lunar eclipses are a beautiful thing to see. So after this 82 minutes, the moon will start exiting or leaving the Earth's shadow. It will take 1 more hour to do so, and then it will leave the Earth's shadow completely, and then it will go off on its way. So we appeal to all of you not to miss this eclipse. It is an amazing spectacle which is brought to us by nature. It is nothing but the dance of shadows of the Earth and Moon in the solar system as they go around the Sun. It's perfectly safe to go outside and to see it, to eat and drink water during the eclipse, and we really hope that the skies are clear and all of you get to enjoy the eclipse. I am Neeraj Mohan Ramanujam. I work at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics here in Bangalore. Thank you.
It's a very rare event and a very impressive event indeed. This lunar eclipse, total lunar eclipse of September 7th, 8th, 2025. Actually, it is rare because, the total lunar eclipse lasts for about 1 hour 22 minutes, 82 minutes. Actually, the eclipse starts at 8:58 p.m. Indian Standard Time. It is visible all over India. That is one more speciality of this eclipse. So 8:58 it begins, 8:58 p.m. on Sunday. Then from 8:58 to 9:57 it will be a penumbral eclipse. That is in the moon will be in the outer shadow of the Earth, and you will not even notice that an eclipse is taking place because only a little dimming of the moon's disk happens. But from 9:57 onwards, the moon's disk partially goes on, progressively it goes on disappearing. Okay? Then exactly at 11 o'clock, the moon will be inside the dark shadow cast by the Earth. It is called as umbra. Okay? So from 11 to 12:22, 11 p.m. on 7th September to 12:22 a.m. on September 8th, Monday. Okay? The moon will be in the total lunar eclipse phase. At that time, don't think that the moon will disappear because it is in the shadow of the Earth. On the other hand, it takes a coppery red hue. Okay? Moon will not disappear. It will have a very, they call it as blood moon popularly, coppery red color. Then after 12:22 again it will be a repeat of partial lunar eclipse like it happened earlier between 9:57 a.m. and 11 p.m. Like that 12:22 to 1:26 p.m. again partial lunar eclipse. Then from 1:26 to 2:25 it will be totally again it's a penumbral eclipse which we will not even notice. So the total duration of this lunar eclipse on September 7th, 8th is 5 hours 27 minutes, of which for us very impressive thing will be between 11 p.m. on September 7th to 12:22 a.m. on September 8th. So this is visible from all over India, but it occurs during monsoon time. So weather gods have to permit. In the sense, the weather has to permit a clear sky, and then only we will be able to see this. But it's a very rare event indeed. And since it is visible from all over India, you can enjoy it through naked eyes. You need not have any special equipment. Thank you.